Class of 2020, thank you for the honor of addressing you today. I hope to give a way better speech when we convene in person at your actual commencement. You have my commitment that we will do that when it is safe to do so. In 1920, 100 years ago, the first class began at Loyola Law School, or as it was then called, St. Vincent's College of Law. There were 8 members of that class, including one woman, Anne O'Keefe. Tuition was $90 a year, payable in 4 installments of $22.50. Those 8 individuals probably had no idea that a century later, you would be following in their footsteps. But knowing you as I know you, I can only imagine how proud they would be. And of course, we have many grads with us today. JD, JSD, MLS, Master of Tax Law, Master of Laws, LLM, and JD MBA. We have over 18,000 living alumni. But the reality is that this class is unlike any of the classes that graduated before it. If you recall, I told you at your orientation that you were a special and unique class. I wasn't kidding. You have just completed your degree amid the most extraordinarily challenging circumstances possible. And you rose to the occasion. You created online symposia, virtual networking events, and of course, online happy hours. You surprised your professors with impromptu Zoom meetings. You checked in on staff members that you missed. You advocated for the interests of other students. You adapted. You demonstrated resilience. Now, this is the part of my talk where I would typically ask you to use the training and skills that you have learned to make the world a better place. But you beat me to it. One of the best things about being a teacher is getting to learn from your students. And on behalf of our entire community, let me tell you thank you for how much you have taught all of us. Many of you found ways to provide innovative advocacy during this unprecedented time. You used original legal arguments based on COVID-19 to secure the release of your clients, and then welcomed them as they walked into freedom while donning masks and maintaining a 6-foot radius. You mastered the art of remote court appearances. And even with all of your own challenges, you volunteered to help small businesses navigate and apply for federal stimulus aid. The great legal philosopher, Duke Ellington, said, "A problem is a chance for you to do your best." You did, and you lifted us all up. And we know that you did not do all of this alone. I want to take a moment to acknowledge the parents, spouses, siblings, partners, friends, children, and everyone else watching today in support of a graduate. Their degree is your degree. Now, most years we say that figuratively. This year we actually mean it. We know that some of you may have inadvertently wandered into a business associations, remedies, or federal income taxation class just by walking by your graduate's computer. Just feel lucky you didn't get called out. 5, 10, 15, 50 years from now, people will be asking, where were you and what were you doing during this global pandemic? You will remember that you did not just shelter in place. You didn't just provide needed support to your families and communities. You finished your legal education and graduated from LMU Loyola Law School. On behalf of our entire community, please realize how incredibly proud of you we are. Thank you.